Hey there, welcome to another video on migrating Shopify script to the function. In this video, I'll show you how you can offer a discount for VIP customers. It is very easy to detect VIP customer using the customer tag. How do you offer a discount? First, you have to install the PowerX function creator app. Then, once you install the app, you have to decide what type of discount you want to offer. Do you want to offer a shipping discount, order discount, or product discount? From the create function, you can create different types of functions. In this example, I'm going to offer this customer an order discount. So the discount should apply to the entire order. If I click order discount, in here I'll give it a name. Let's call it standard order discount. This is just for internal use. Inside this order discount, we can have different campaigns. Campaigns are basically the discount with specific conditions. For example, in here I can create a campaign. In the campaign, I can set conditional discount. In here, I will call it VIP customers discount. Now, VIP customer is the customer who has a VIP tag. You can also distinguish them in any other way. Under the customer qualifier, you have this option of customer email, customer order count, customer total spend. If you call someone if you say like if someone is spent more than $50 in your store, these are the VIP customer, then you can do that. But the best way is using tags, because you can tag the customer and say these are VIP customers. I don't have the tag selector here. It is because we are under the standard input. If you change the input to advanced, from here you can see I can go to the customer qualifier and select tags. And that is like the important part of the functions. Whenever you create the functions, you have option to go with the standard input or the advanced input. It is because Shopify has limits on how much of the data that you can query in a function to run it. Might be a bit complicated, but we have split those data into two inputs. One of them is basic, which you use in most cases. The other one is advanced, and I also call this one advanced because that is how I find out this is an advanced function. I have access to this input. Once you create this, you cannot change it. You have to create another function if you want to use the standard input. That is easy to do, right? Now all I have to do is I have to find VIP here. I say if someone has a tag of VIP, we are going to give them a 20% VIP discount. Let's give it a message of VIP. Oops. Something like this. This message will display in their order. Now, how many times do you want this to apply? Let's set this to 0 to unlimited product and unlimited discount for now. You can also exclude some product, especially the gift cards. If you have a gift, then you don't want the customer to have 20% discount on that. They can repeat the same thing and they can buy a lot. So you can go with the product tag and tag your gift product as a gift product, and then you can select it. For now, let's just save these changes and see if this one is working as expected. Let's go to our customer and see if we do have any customer, because this is a new store. These are the customer that we have. But you can check one of their email address and use this one. This is the one that I have used. It is my name. And do I have a tag? No, I don't have a tag. For now, if I go to my store, let's go to the checkout. I should enter my email. Now I can enter some address here. 123. Let's go with an Australian address here. For now, I don't get any discount because I don't have the VIP tag. If I refresh this, I still don't get anything. Let's go back and tag myself as VIP. Now I have the VIP tag. This is my email and I should get the discount. What I will do is I'll go back to my store. Let's bring it down. When I bring it down, it updates the card. When I update the card, the function will run. You can see I have one product, but I still got the VIP discount here. If I go to the checkout, I should see the VIP discount automatically applied here. That is how you can offer VIP discount for the VIP customer. You have a lot more options in the configuration that you can check it out, or you can watch the rest of the videos. Thank you.